In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Solflare Wallet app. We'll do this in the browser using the Solflare extension, and I'll point out a few tips so nothing trips you up along the way. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. This process works the same in most modern browsers that support extensions. Look toward the upper right corner of the window for your extensions area. You should see the Solflare icon there. If you don't see it, click the small puzzle piece icon to open the extensions menu, then pin Solflare so it's easy to find in the toolbar. Click the Solflare icon to open the wallet. If you're prompted to unlock, go ahead and do that so you can access the settings. Once the wallet interface appears, turn your attention to the lower right corner of the window. You'll find the settings option there, typically represented by a gear icon. Click Settings to open your preferences. Inside Settings, choose General. This section contains the everyday options that control how your wallet looks and behaves. Next, select Language. You'll be presented with a list of available languages supported by Solflare. Scroll through the list and locate the language you want to use. When you click your preferred language, the app interface should update right away to reflect your selection. If you don't see the change immediately, close the extension window and reopen it, or toggle to another tab and back. A few quick pointers to make this smoother. If the Solflare icon ever goes missing from your toolbar, revisit the puzzle piece menu and pin it again so it stays visible. If you accidentally switch to a language you don't recognize, follow the same path by position rather than text. From the main wallet screen, bottom right gear icon, top general option, then the language entry, and pick a language you can read. Changing language does not affect your accounts, balances, or connected apps. It only changes the interface text. You can switch back at any time using the same steps. For the best experience, make sure your browser and the Solflare extension are both up to date. And that's all there is to it. Open your browser, access the pinned Solflare extension, go to Settings, tap General, choose Language, and select the one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Solflare in the language that feels most natural to you.